To make this torn paper effect in Canva, I will use this image for my example and I will make it bigger according to the canvas. Okay, and place it like this. Okay, and after that I have chosen two elements which is paper rips with shadow, and this is also the same, and you can find it for free if you are a Canva Pro user. So I am using the first one here, like this, and the second one here, let's make it bigger like this. Okay, so let's place it right here, and as you can see it is covered. Now I will go to share, click on download, make sure it is in PNG, click on download again. So the image is downloaded. Now I will come to photopea.com and click on open from computer, and I will just open the file which I just downloaded from Canva, and here I will select this icon and click on quick selection. Okay, and after that I will select the parts. Now I will hold on to Alt in the keyboard to deselect the parts which are not required for me. Okay, so I have selected this part. Now I will go to select here and click on inverse and click on backspace in the keyboard to delete those parts, and after that click on file, click on export as, click on PNG again and click on save. Now just come back to Canva here and click on duplicate page and remove the paper strips now. Okay, and after that I will just re-upload the image which I created from Photopea to Canva. So the uploading is done. Now I will just make it to the same size of the canvas. Okay, and just crop out this part so that I can select the back side of the image and click on edit. So select this part now and go to filters, click on see all and scroll down to find mono here and click on slate. Okay, and you can get this type of tone paper duotone effect in Canva, and you can try this type of effects which one suits you. For this image I like the slate part and that's why I am using it. You can use any type of effect you want, like this you can try, or like this you can try. So this is the effect which I want to share with you in Canva. So hope you like this tutorial, and make sure you subscribe to the channel for more amazing tutorials like this. Thank you.